Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearstorm. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Honda Civic, a car that's been a staple in the compact sedan segment for decades. And this year, Honda has fine-tuned it to near perfection. From a refreshed design to updated tech and enhanced performance, there's a lot to cover. Let's take a detailed look at what the 2026 Civic brings to the table. Starting up front, the exterior has seen a subtle yet sophisticated update. Honda hasn't gone for a radical redesign, but rather they've sharpened what already worked. The front fascia now sports a sleeker grille that stretches horizontally, giving it a more planted and aggressive stance. The LED headlights are slimmer and more angular, lending a high-tech edge to the Civic's face. Lower down, the bumper has been slightly reshaped with a cleaner air intake and integrated fog lamps that are housed in more sculpted corners. It's not overdone, it's that perfect balance of sporty and refined that Civic fans love. From the side profile, the 2026 Civic retains its clean, flowing lines with a slightly more aerodynamic silhouette. The beltline now runs straighter, creating a longer visual profile. Depending on the trim, you'll get either 17-inch or upgraded 18-inch alloy wheels with new designs that echo Honda's sportier vibe. There's also a new paint color added to the lineup this year, a deep midnight blue pearl that looks absolutely stunning in sunlight. The side mirrors now include better integrated LED turn signals, and higher trims come with power folding and heating functionality. Moving to the rear, the changes are just as elegant. The taillights have been redesigned with a new LED signature that gives off a more premium look, especially at night. The trunk lid features a subtle lip spoiler that adds a touch of sportiness, especially on the sport and touring trims. One notable change is the rear bumper. It's been reshaped slightly for better airflow, and some models feature a dual exhaust setup with chrome tips for a performance-inspired finish. The rear camera is now tucked away more discreetly, and rear parking sensors are better integrated for a seamless look. Stepping inside, the 2026 Civic's cabin is where Honda really flexed its design and tech muscles. The interior layout remains similar to last year's, clean, intuitive, and driver-focused, but with some key refinements. The dashboard now features softer touch materials across more surfaces and a new metallic honeycomb mesh design that conceals the air vents for a more streamlined appearance. The digital instrument cluster is now standard across all trims, offering crisp, customizable views of your speed, navigation, and driver assistance features. In the center, you'll find a new 10.2-inch infotainment touchscreen on all but the base model. It runs Honda's updated software, which is quicker, more intuitive, and now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a new voice control system that's actually useful, responding to more natural speech commands. The climate controls are still thankfully physical, 3 rotary dials with satisfying clicks, which is a small touch but one that makes a big difference in day-to-day USABIL. The seats have also been upgraded with improved padding and bolstering. Higher trims now come with perforated leather and optional seat ventilation, while the X and Sport models get a premium cloth with contrast stitching. Rear seat legroom remains generous for the class, and Honda has done a great job minimizing road noise. The cabin is noticeably quieter, even at highway speeds. Trunk space remains strong at just over 14 cubic feet, with a wide opening and 60/40th split folding rear seats for added versatility. Under the hood, the 2026 Civic offers 2 familiar powertrains. The base models come with a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine making 158 horsepower and 138 pounds-ft of torque. It's mated to a CVT, and while it's not thrilling, it's smooth and efficient, perfect for daily commuting. If you want more punch, the 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder returns with 180 horsepower and 177 pounds-ft of torque. It's also paired with a CVT but has been recalibrated for better responsiveness off the line and smoother acceleration. Fuel economy remains a strong point for the Civic, with the base engine getting around 31 mpg city and 40 mpg highway. The turbo model does slightly better on the highway, thanks to its efficiency at cruising speeds. For those waiting on performance variants, the C and Type R, stay tuned. But for now, this standard lineup still delivers solid driving dynamics. The suspension has been retuned slightly for a more balanced ride, offering a firm but comfortable experience. With precise steering and excellent cornering for a front-wheel drive car. In terms of safety, Honda has expanded its Honda Sensing suite to include traffic jam assist, low-speed braking control, and an updated lane keeping assist system. These join standard features like adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. It's one of the most comprehensive safety setups in its class. Pricing for the 2026 Honda Civic starts at around $24,500 for the base 60 trim. The Sport comes in at about $26,000, while the X jumps to around $28,500. The Touring tops the lineup at just under $31,000, but you get a fully loaded package with premium audio, navigation, leather, and every available feature. Old trims offer great value, and with Honda's reputation for reliability and resale value, it's still one of the smartest choices in the segment. That's it for our detailed review of the 2026 Honda Civic. Let me know in the comments. Which trim would you go for? And if you're thinking about picking one up, what's the biggest selling point for you? The tech, the efficiency, or the style? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. This is Gearstorm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.